Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of start or stuck on starting on Google Maps. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Google Maps and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will search about Maps app. And here you will update your app if you find updating this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your